check this out.
We're here with
Over
another
there.
video, and we're gonna
Everyone
be
in
in
garage
Monkey's
now.
room,
Thank you.
and we're gonna be with
Everyone
Xbox
this way.
game.
This way.
Jude,
This way.
Wrong way.
Get out of the way.
We're gonna be
This way.
playing on Xbox.
Everyone inside beds now. It's the safest place. Follow me. Follow the trail. Follow the trail. And beds now. Follow the trail.
We're back.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
Run.
Come on. Oh, get it. Get free now. Get inside the beds. Follow
Guys,
the trail. Follow the trail.
Guys.
Get inside now.
Guys, the monsters are over there.
Guys, look. Everybody, look. Everybody, look.
There's sweat.
Monsters.
What's up?
He's off. Never mind. He's not coming. We're fine. Everyone, just in case, go this way, just in case. This way, just in case.
Bro, he's still there.
This is our.
Oh my god. Dude, I saw him move.
Oh, he's right there.
I mean, luckily you didn't
Everyone.
go over the lens.
A big drill.
Up here. Guys, I'm stuck.
I'm fine.
Titus, do you hear me now? Oh my God, Titus.
What? Okay, no.
Do you hear me now?
This way. No, this way.
Are you in Monkey's room?
Oh my
Okay,
god.
are you in Xbox?
It's
Oh,
Sussy
shoot.
Vodka. This way.
Oh,
It's creepy.
I'm in Xbox
No.
right now.
Get in!
Every time this and
Everyone, in here, this way, just in case, this way, where this light blue is. Go over here. Does everybody want to go out there? Everyone, back in garage now. Go inside garage. Exit that
How
bed
do you get
now.
out?
Back in garage now. Go to clear a garage. Drop down
do you
now.
get in
Alert,
garage?
alert. Drop down now.
No. Oh my God.
Alert. Everyone gotta be.
Titus, how do you get in
Alert,
there?
alert. Go up in bed now. Alert.
It's not
Yeah,
safe.
and
Not safe.
I
out
cut
there.
it.
It's not.
Well, I'm in the Discord and I don't see myself.
Among Us guys coming. Imposter guys coming.
I'm stuck. What's up with that
Yo.
monkey, dude? Really?
They're making out for some reason. Creepy woman and imposter guys are making out for some reason.
I don't know where to go to
Guys,
get.
let's get out now.
Hey,
No, I'm still alive. What?